Why does understanding muscle structure matter? That's a question that might have crossed your mind. Well, the answer lies within the fascinating world of microscopic muscle structure. It's a realm that's both intricate and elegant, revealing the inner workings of our body's most powerful and versatile tissues. Dive in and discover the three types of muscle we have: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. Each type has its unique structure, each as captivating as the last. First, take the skeletal muscle. Picture a bundle of fibers, each one wrapped in a protective sheath called the endomysium. These fibers group together, forming larger bundles encased in a tougher sheath, the perimysium. Several of these larger bundles, or fascicles, come together to form the muscle itself, protected by the epimysium. But what's inside these fibers? Strands of protein, myosin and actin, which slide across each other to contract the muscle. That's the power behind every flex, every lift, every leap. Now, imagine the cardiac muscle. Found only in the heart, its structure is a marvel of nature. Its cells are short, branched, and connect via intercalated discs. These discs allow electrical signals to pass rapidly from cell to cell, synchronizing the heart's contraction. This synchronization is the beat you feel, the rhythm that pumps blood around your body. Lastly, think of the smooth muscle. It's the silent worker found in your organs and blood vessels. Its cells are small and spindle-shaped. Unlike its counterparts, it contracts without conscious thought, maintaining vital functions like digestion and blood flow. Its name comes from its appearance. It lacks the striation seen in skeletal and cardiac muscle. But what makes muscles truly extraordinary are their properties: elasticity, contractibility, and irritability. Elasticity allows a muscle to return to its original shape after contracting or stretching. Contractibility is the muscle's ability to shorten forcefully, while irritability, also known as excitability, is the muscle's response to stimuli. In summary, the structure of muscles, whether skeletal, cardiac, or smooth, is a testament to nature's ingenuity. Their microscopic structures enable them to perform their unique functions, from lifting weights to pumping blood to moving food through the digestive system. The properties of elasticity, contractibility, and irritability allow them to respond and adapt to the demands we place on them. Understanding muscle structure isn't just essential for medical students or fitness enthusiasts. It's a journey into the marvel of the human body, a journey that reveals the strength, resilience, and adaptability we carry within us.